Hey, what's up everyone? It's Tweaker Dan at you again, and today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter in your Dodge Durango. So first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to open the passenger side door. Once we do this, we're going to move over to the glove box. It's important to have this empty before performing this service. There's a little clip here on the side. We're going to go ahead and remove that just by pulling it toward the rear of the vehicle and just release it. We could get that later. It's really easy to pull back out. Next, we're going to push in the side of the glove box on this side, and you'll see that tab releases just a tiny bit. Next, we'll go to the driver's side of the glove box, and we're going to do the same thing here, except here, we're going to actually need to use two hands. So I put a lot more pressure on this side and pull it toward the passenger side, and the whole box will just drop straight down. Once we have the glove box out of the way, we're going to go ahead and remove this cover over the cabin air filter by pulling this tab here and then pushing up on the centerpiece here just slightly. And then this whole piece should just swivel its way out of there. Once we have that down, take note that the arrows are pointing down on this. I just stuck my fingers in there to pull the filter out, and it's okay if it bends a little bit because they're pretty pliable. So we'll remove this. We're going to see how dirty it is here. And it is pretty dirty. I think this is the first time this has been replaced because we did buy the vehicle new and a lot of pine needles in there. Here's our new one. I did happen to go with a HEPA filter to try to get all the little dust particles. Again, make sure the arrows are pointing down as the air flows into the vehicle. Now we will go ahead and reinstall our cover plate here, and you just push it into place once you have those ends hooked in, and you are good to go. Take note of these little round arches. You want to take these and make sure they're placed correctly over these. Otherwise, the glove box won't open and close smoothly. Once you have those in place and you feel comfortable, go ahead and give the glove box a push and both the tabs will lock in. Next, before reconnecting the little cable, we're going to test this. Make sure it opens and drops freely. If the glove box doesn't drop straight down, you'll want to remove it and readjust the alignment, and then we'll go ahead and reconnect this little cable. Now the glove box should open and close very smoothly. I will have links for the products used in this video down in the description. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future work on this vehicle. We will be servicing the engine oil filter, changing out the engine air filter, and topping off the windshield washer fluid.